Hey there, today I am sharing my beach bag contents. This is a what's in my bag video where you will see my essentials that go with me to the beach. We went to Cozumel about a month ago before all the coronavirus stuff started happening, and there are some things I forgot, so I will talk about those at the end. I know some of these beach bag items are essential just for me, so if you have an item that you must take to the beach with you that fits in this bag, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you are now going on a road trip to the beach instead of flying. I know that when we are done with this quarantine, that is the first location I want to go to for vacation. The top two essentials for my beach bag are my sunglasses and sunscreen. When we went to Cozumel, I realized that the 70 spray does not work on me nor my husband. Now, we were both very fair skinned because we had not been in the sun, but we did have 30 tubes by Neutrogena, and that was great. Most beach bag totes have an inside pocket, and I always keep tissues in there. My nose runs for some reason. We also packed my son's soft-sided school lunchbox. Those are easy coolers that you can take to last you a few hours at the beach. And you can pull them out and carry them in your hand or give them to a kid to carry. I highly recommend packing these towels that take up 75% less room than a regular beach towel. They don't hold in the sand. Like as soon as you pick the beach towel up, the sand just falls right off. It doesn't get in your bag and it doesn't get in your beach hotel room. We invested in some new walkie-talkies because we were going to be on a cruise ship. They work great. They are waterproof or splash resistant. They also connect to the NOAA weather alert system, so you'll know if there is terrible weather headed your way. And the communication signal was crystal clear on our cruise ship as well as on land. We also packed a bag of phone cleaner wipes. Those can work for your glasses and your phone. And then we also had a little baggie of antibacterial wipes. And you can just pack them in two different baggies into one little baggie and just pop those in your bag. I wore my sunglasses on my head and packed my sunglasses tote in there with headphones in it. And you can also pack your key card in there or some little cash in the credit card. Here's where I want your idea. If you can think of another travel hack for what to pack in your sunglasses case, leave me a comment. A lot of you have already watched my travel hack videos that I have, but if you have a new one, always share them with me because I make a list. By the way, welcome to my Travel Tips by Laurie YouTube channel. Leave me a comment and introduce yourself if we have not met yet. I've been a pilot wife for about 18 years, so I've picked up lots of tips and tricks for you. I do have more ideas for you, but I wanted to tell you why I like this bag because I'm usually a backpack person all the way. You can be hands-free, but I have now taken this as my personal item bag to 2 different vacations, and it works. It has a very strong metallic snap right here, and then if you want to pull it together to make it more like a purse if you're going on an excursion, there is a hook and clasp there that's very high quality. I love the material. There's also enough storage space for 2 paper towel rolls from Costco. It's squishy and smushy, and in an airplane I like that it is able to mold and adapt like that, just like our minds during this quarantine time. And the main reason I like it for a beach tote bag is because of the wide woven straw. The sand just sifts right through it. There is none in your room from this. This is just my style. There are tons of beach bag totes that are super organized for you personality types like that. I also packed but never used my journal and a pen. I know it could have gotten wet being down by the water, but it didn't. And it was a cheap enough journal that I didn't mind risking it. I also packed this clear pouch for liquids, but I used it to hold my beach bag contents. I put my key card in there, my hearing aid case, my receipts from the Cabana Boy, my chapstick. I like this pouch because it is clear for a beach bag. I don't use it as my liquids bag because it's a little stiff, but it can get so wet and sandy and I can clean it off. Also, do not forget goggles, snacks, cash for tips, especially if you are going on an excursion or to a different country. You're going to want to pay your tour guide a tip, but you're also going to want to pay the bus driver a tip. And that's something we almost forgot about, but we had a couple of dollars for that. Especially if you're going on a tour, remember to have cash to tip that tour guide. They do such a great historically correct job. The sand in Mexico and the Bahamas is hard to walk on because it doesn't get compact when it's wet. So I recommend some kind of shoe that is not a flip-flop. I wore these really old and ugly Velcro sandals and they were awesome, but I also wished I had had some in the shallow end of the water because it was a little rocky and I was barefooted once I got in the ocean. The one thing my husband and I both wished that we had packed in our beach bag that I forgot to Cozumel was these little cup holders. These come in a set of 4. These come in a set of 4. I gave 2 of them to my girlfriends at our girls' trip to the Bahamas. These worked great. They hold your cup and your phone and keep them off of the sand, and condensation is the main reason. They gave us a fruity little drink in a plastic cafeteria type cup and even a table, but there was so much condensation that any sand in the air stuck to that cup. If you're tight on space, you can just pack a Koozie or one that I found that has a handle on it, but it's a Koozie. Another item that I forgot to take for my beach bag tote was my towel clips. The wind on the cruise ship was so windy and I needed those towel clips. And they also make aluminum ones and plastic ones if you would rather have a less cute pair. Whatever essentials you do end up packing in your beach bag tote, just make sure that this tote is multifunctional. It's got space to smush and squish and stretch, much like our waistline now after Corona, and it's easy to get around with. All right, if you can think of another essential for your beach bag, let us know down below and share them with everybody. My heart does go out to y'all, and I just am giving you big air hugs from my window seat in the airplane. All right, thanks for your time. I hope you all get to go on vacation very, very soon.